So far, what's happening here is that Massive X got a new facelift, or should I say, a new addition to what's already here. Massive X is the same as before. It's just this new deal where you have instant access to creativity, and you can obviously take things to a whole nother level. This is a X and Y pad situation here with a bunch of presets that you can quickly go to. Now, this is what we're used to, right? This is great, right? For people who wants to edit, get creative, customize a sound and dig deep, right? This is great. A lot of people love it. I love using Massive X. Right. It's a thing. It's a Massive X thing. You feel what I'm saying? But the cool thing about this here is I feel once they add this here, this is what will make Massive X even more powerful. And when I say that because this still lives under the hood. Well, this used to be the face, obviously. But now it's a under the hood type thing. They kind of tucked it away, so to speak, and put this in front. So anybody can access Massive X. You do not have to know what you're doing. You don't have to know any type of synth lingo and all that, because that's certainly not something I'm about to go in depth here. I'm just going to play the sounds for you guys, and you get to choose if this is right for you. But you don't have to spend any money here, obviously. I mean, if you don't have it, then yeah. But if you already have it, this is a free upgrade. It's a free update. If you have an XY pad, a MIDI pad, this is perfect because you already have one. But you can obviously create a automation lane for this to do whatever it is that you like automatically, of course. Now, what's happening here is that we have 4 angles or 4 corners. When you click this here, what I'm noticing is that it just goes straight to that corner. And I want to say this is automatable. I haven't tried that yet, but I'm guessing this is how you get things to go precisely straight to the corner instead of trying to fiddle around to get, you know what I mean? Because sometimes, so you have a corner button that goes straight there. And then these things here are just quick preset. So they're like quick filter presets for what's happening in that corner. So with that being said, you have 4 different corners. So this thing is morphing between 4 different sections. And this is how you get crazy sounds. And then here's your automator. Let's turn it on. This is like a sequencer in itself, you know. So because it's the square is selected, obviously it's going in this square motion. So here's a circular motion. Triangle. Let's access this. Let's go up straight up down. Speed this thing up. Figure 8. Zigzags and all types of craziness here. Or you can re-trigger. But always just trigger somewhere. It's like right here in this area. Or you can sync it to the beat. I guess you got to be playing the DAW. Yeah, here we go. Right, so in order to get the sync to work, you have to hit the play from the DAW. That's how that works. Let's see what reverse does. The opposite, duh. So that's pretty much it. You know, this could be a long, drawn-out video, but I'm not going to allow it to be because there's not much to go in depth for it. This is straight to the point. And like I say, this is the part that probably take the most time to explain everything, and I'm certainly not the guy for that job. But like I said before, same stuff right here that was once the face of Massive. Now it's sitting under the hood. It still looks nice. If this is something, if you're not into what's happening here, no problem. This is here. You feel what I'm saying? This has not went away. You can still access the browser like once before. You know what I mean? All your presets still there. No problem. I did the update a little bit before this video. All my presets are still there. So there is no overhaul, redesign. They just added this play function here that makes it fun. You say, okay, Mr. Ella, what about the other presets? You know, Massive X, as we are used to using it, does this play window affect what we can do here in these libraries? Okay, no problem. Let me pick something real quick. All right, so check this out. Same stuff. So, like I say, that is Massive is even more powerful with the fun stuff on the top in the beginning, and you still have this type of power underneath it, right? And then everything else browsing and whatnot, all that still exists. So there you have it. There you have it. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Of course, there is affiliate links to some of the stuff that I talk about here on the channel. This plugin, obviously, if you are interested in, take a look at it. If you're new to the channel, hit the thumbs up, like the video, share, subscribe, all that good. All of the things that YouTubers tell you. Just apply that here as well. I like thumbs up as well. My name is Ella. Remember, lifestyle governed by art.